Okay, now what if A does not equal 1? What if, oh man, hot pepper in the throat. Woo! Excuse me. What if A is not equal to 1? Ugh. Like maybe it's 6, like in this situation. Well, I got a method for you for this one too. It's actually kind of convenient because what we're going to do first off is going to make A 1. And the first thing you do is it's called the slide swing method. Here's the slide part, and then at the end there's the swing part. So, first, slide. You're going to take the 6, bring it down here, slide it to the 3, multiply it, okay? So, what is 6 times 3? 18. So you're going to rewrite this as x squared plus 11x plus 18. Okay? Step 1 done. To the slide method. Okay? Now, you're going to factor this new trinomial. So, we're going to take this 18, we put it down here. Right there, 18. And you're going to take the 11, let's make that blue, and we're going to put that right there. And now you got to ask yourself, what times what is 18 that adds together to be 11? So I'm going to start with my 1 and 18, but then you can't add those together to be 11, but they do multiply. So then we got 2 and 9. 2 and 9, yeah, 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 times 9 is 18. So I got my 2 and my 9. There you go. So I got my 2 and 9, and I take these and I put them over here. So I got x plus 2, and I got my x plus 9. Okay, so I did factor the new trinomial, check that off, divide the number by A. There we go, this is the next step. So since we factored it, we checked it, now we're dividing the numbers by A. So remember that A that you slid at the beginning? This A you slid over here and multiplied. Now you got to take this 2 and you divide it by 6. And you take the 9 and you divide it by 6. So this is going right here. You divide it by the 6 right there. Okay? So let's rewrite it now with it divided by 6. I got x plus, what's 2? Let's simplify it, right? Reduce it down. That's the next step. Reduce. So what's 2 divided by 6? 1 over 3. And what's 9 divided by 6? That is x plus 3 over 2. Okay. So now we got them as fractions. Last step is the swing. Swing the denominator in front if there is a denominator. Sometimes there isn't. So we got to do a little swing action. So we're going to take this and we're going to swing it right up in front there. We're going to take that and swing it right up in front right there. And so what you get, check this out, guys. Check it out. I get 3x plus 1. Notice this 3 swung up in front of the x. And then I got 2x plus 3. Notice that 2 swung up in front of the x right there. And there you go. Factored form. Using something I like to call the slide and the swing method. And if you practice this enough, this will be one of your favorite methods ever. Because I know it is mine. There we go. So on this next side, we're going to show you how to use these two methods right here, the factoring methods, to solve or begin to think about this idea of solving quadratic formulas.